Good morning, all students. Today we will start with remaining question of practice set 3.3. First question: find the cube root of the following numbers. Right, the second number is 729. Right, so first we have to find out the factors of that 729. Right, so 729 is there at the unity place. 9 is there, so it is not divisible by 2. So we will check for the test of 3. Right, so for the test of 3 we have to add all the numbers. So 7 plus 2, that is 9. 9 plus 9, that is 18, and 18 is divisible by 3, therefore this number will be divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 1 remaining, and 2, that is 12. 3 4s are 12, 9 is there, so 3 3s are 9. Right, so our answer is 243. Again 3 is there, so it is not divisible by 2. We will check for 3, that is 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3, and therefore the total number will be divisible by 3. So 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Again 1 is there at the unit place, so it is not divisible by 2. So we will check for 3. 8 plus 1, that is 9. 9 it come in the table of 3, therefore it is divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. 27 is our answer. So again it is divisible by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. Right, again 9 come in the table of 3. So I will write 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. 3 come in the table of 3. Therefore I will write 3 1s are 3. Right, so these are the factors of number 729. Right, so I will write that 729 is equal to 3 multiplied by 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 3. Right, 6 times I have written. Right, so here we are finding the cube root. Right, means we have to make 3 groups. Right, so here all the numbers are similar. Right, and we have to make 3 groups. Let's say I will make a group of 1, then 2, and then 3. Right, so I will write this 3 into 3, that is 9, 3 into 3, that is 9, 3 into 3, that is 9. Right, so 9 into 9 into 9, that is 9 cube. Right, so 729 is equal to 9 cube. Right, therefore taking cube root. Right, if we will take the cube root, so what we will get? Cube root of 729 will be equal to cube root of 9 cube. Right, so this will remain the same. Here this is cube root and this is cube. Right, so cube and cube root will get cancelled and we will get the answer as 9. Right, so here cube root of 729 will be 9. Next question is 343. Again we have to find first the factor of 343. Right, so here 343, again that at the ending 3 is there. Right, so it is not divisible by 2. So we will check for the test of 3. So 3 plus 4, right, that is 7. Right, 7 plus 3, right, 10. Right, again it is not divisible by 3. Right, so we will check for 5. Right, for test of 5, right, 0 and 5 will be there at the unit place, but here it is not there. Therefore we will go for the next number, that is 7. Right, so 7, right, then 34 is there. Right, so we know, right, that is 7 4s are 28. Right, so 28 is there, then 6 is remaining, 6 and 3, that is 63. Right, 7 9s are 63. Then 49 is there, again 7 is there, 7 sevens are 49. Again 7 is there, 7 ones are 7. Right? So these are the factor of the number 343. So I will write here 343 is equal to 7 into 7 into 7. So we know 7 into 7 into 7 means 7 3 times, means 7 cube. So 343 is equal to 7 cube, right? So next step, that is taking cube root, right? So we'll take the cube root of both the side. Let's will here it is cube root of 343 is equal to cube root of 7 cube. This side, left hand side, will remain the same. Here cube and cube root will get cancelled, so I will get 7. So cube root of 343 is 7, right? Next question, that is fourth one, minus 512, right? So here only we have to find out the factor of 512, right? Negative sign we will add afterward. So here at the end 2 is there, so it is divisible by 2, right? So 2 2s are 4, 1 remaining 1, right? So 11. 2 5s are 10, 1 remaining and 2, so 12. 2 6 are 12. Again 6 is there, so it is divisible by 2, right? So 2 1s are 2, right? So I will add 2 1s are 2. 5 is there, 2 2s are 4, 1 remaining, 6 is there, right? So 2 8s are 16. Again it is divisible by 2, so we'll write 2. 12 is there, so 2 6 are 12. 8 is there, 2 4s are 8. Again 4 is there at the unit place, so we will divide by 2. So 2 is there, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again we will divide by 2, so 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Again 6 is there, so we will divide by 2. So 2 1s are 2, we know that 2 8s are 16. Again 8 is there, so 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Again 4, then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and at the end 2 is there, so I will write 2 1s are 2, right? So these are the factors of the number 512. So I will write that 512 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, and that is 3 3 6 9, 9 times. So I will write 2 into 2 into 2, multiply by 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 2, 9 times, right? So here we have to make 3 groups, right? So now 9 numbers are there, 9 times 2 are there, so I will write here, this is one group, second group and third group, right? 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 4 2s are 8, so I will write 8. Again same, 8 8. So 8 into 8 into 8 is 8 cube, right? So 512 is equal to 8 cube, right? So taking cube root, right, on both sides, we'll get cube root of 512 is equal to cube root of 8 cube. Again this side will remain the same. Here cube root and cube will get cancelled, right? So I will get only the answer as 8. So cube root of 512 is what? 8, right? But here the sign is what? Minus, right? So here minus 512, that is equal to, that cube root of minus 512 is equal to minus 8, right? Because we know the cube root of negative number is also negative, right? So after this we have to solve as positive number, then at the end we have to write the negative sign, right? Then the next number, right, that is minus 2744, right? So first, in the same manner, we will write the factor of 2744, right? Here, right, that is at the end 4 is there, so it will come in the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 is there, so we'll divide by 2. So 2 6 are 12, 1 remaining, 7 is there, so 2 8s are 16. Again 1 is there, 2 is there, right? So 12. So 2 6 are 12, 2 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and 2 3s are 6, right? So 343, right? Now 343, right, we have done the previous sum, right? That is, it is divisible by 7, so we will divide by 7. So 7 4s are 28, 6 is remaining, and 3, so 63. 7 and 9s are 63, 49 is there, so again it will come in the table of 7. So 7 1s are 7, 7 7s are 49. Again 7 is there, so 7 1s are 7, right? So these are the factors of the number, right? So first we'll write the positive number, that is 2744 is equal to, right? The factor are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and then 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7, right? So here we have to make three groups, right? So we will make a group of 2 7, right? So I will write here 2 into 7 multiply by 2 into 7 multiply by 2 into 7, right? So here we know 2 sevens are 14, right? So I will write 14 multiply by 14 multiply by 14, that means 14 cube, right? So 2744, that is equal to 14 cube, right? Then next step, that is taking cube root, right? So I will get cube root of 2744 is equal to cube root of 14 cube. Again cube and cube root will get cancelled, so I will get 14, right, as a cube root of 2744, right? But we have to find out of negative sign, right? So only at the answer we will write the negative sign, right? Therefore cube root of minus 2744 is equal to minus 14, right? Then the next sum, that is 32,768, right? So same, we'll find out the factor for 32,768, right? So first at the end 8 is there, so we'll divide by 2, right? So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, and 2 4s are 8. Again at the ending 4 is there, so we will divide by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 3 is there, so 2 1s are 2, 1 remaining, 18, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4. Again at the end 2 is there, so we will divide by 2, right? So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 is remaining, right? So here, right, no number is there, that is one number is less than 2, right? So we'll take 0, 2 zeros are 0, then we will write the next one, that is 19. So 2 9s are 18, right? So 1 is remaining, and after that 2 is there, means 12. So 2 6 are 12. Again 6 is there, so it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. And again then 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again 4 is there, so it is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, right? 1 is remaining, 1 is there, means 11. 2 5s are 10, right? At the ending 12 is there, so 2 6 are 12. Again 6 is there, so it is divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 remaining, 16, right? So 2 8s are 16. Again 2 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 4 is there, so it is divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 is there, so we'll divide by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. 16 is there. So 2, we know that 2 8s are 16. So we'll write 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 is there. Right? So 2 1s are 2. Right? And the end 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Right? So this way we will find out the factor of 32,768. At first we'll count how many 2 are there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Right? So I have to write 32,768 is equal to, right, 15 time I will write 2. Let's write it 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 2 2 2 10 11 12 13 14 15. Right? So I have written 15 times I have written 2. Right? We have to make a group of 3. That means we have to make 3 groups. Right? So here 15 are there. Right? So we will make a group of 5 numbers. Right? That is 1 2 3 4 5. This will be my first group. 1 2 3 4 5. This will be my second group. And 1 2 3 4 5. This will be my third group. So I will write here 2 multiplied by 2. Right? That 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. And 16 2s are 32. Right? So I will write here 32 multiplied by. Again here also 32 multiplied by 32. Right? So here 32 into 32 into 32. That is cube of 32. Right? Therefore we will know 32,768 is equal to 32 cube. Right? Therefore taking cube root, we will get cube root of 32,768 is equal to cube root of 32 cube. Right? Left hand side will remain the same. On the right hand side, cube and cube root will get cancelled. So we'll get cube root of 32,768 is equal to 32. Right? I hope you have understand the practice at 3.3 first questions. Right? So in the next lecture we will start for solving second question. Okay? Thank you for watching.